screaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Hi, this is Saptarshi. So I had dropped off my Ford EcoSport with the garage. I had ACO insurance, so this is a ACO recognized garage. So I had damage to my rear windscreen and also on the left hand side rear door. It was a very pleasant experience in the sense that I dropped off my car. I got an honest timeline of getting the car repaired, even though it was beyond ACO's limitation, so I was happy. The overall insurance process was very smooth compared to my last experience with New India, and it was all app based, very digitized. I got regular updates from the garage as well as the insurance company on the progress, and overall I was very happy with the final settlement price and the claim process from ACO. So yes, I would recommend this garage to anybody who might have damaged their car. Their processes are very smooth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now look in your eyes, paralyzing. Forever you'll never leave in my range. Something about you is different. Some kind